Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do two things. First up, I'm going to share with you what I consider to be is one of the worst sneakers that I've ever bought. I super regret it. Because it kind of looked super cool in pictures, but when I got it on hand and I put it on feet, wow. So that's the first part. Secondly, we'll check out this mystery package that was sent over by our good friend Freddie Yu. He's the guy who's actually worked on the shelves that you see here in the studio from Kitchen Novation. I'll put the link down below to their Instagram account just in case you guys are curious about making custom shelves. So that said, before anything, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Of course, I'm talking about Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand based out of Australia, and they're coming up with amazing products ranging from their beaded bracelets to this minimalist bar necklace, as well as a variety of other products. So make sure to check their site out. Now here's the good news. They actually have an ongoing 20% Feb sale, and if you use the code that I'll put the link down below, you even get additional 10% off on top of that for your entire order. Free worldwide shipping. Check them out. Rose Gold and Black. And the absolute worst sneaker that I bought so far is this. This is the Nike Presto Tent in collaboration with Comme des Garçons. So it is a collaboration luxury high fashion sneaker. And it is super high fashion because I really can't reach it, nor do I understand it. I mean, in pictures, it looked really nice. I mean, in the photos, this tent over here kind of was a little bit more backwards, but this one just really juts out, making it look really crazy. I love the colorway though. I love the black and the vault together with the white midsole, but I didn't really expect this particular part to be as obtrusive and as loud as it is. I mean, if you wear this on feet, it looks really crazy. To be honest, I kind of regret buying it. But yeah, hey, it's still in the collection. I might as well wear it. I mean, it's still new. It's been with me for a couple of months. I actually haven't gotten around to putting it on feet, mainly because after opening the box, I was kind of like, what? So yeah, so this is the shoe. The Comme des Garçons Presto Tent. How about you guys? Have you had any sneakers that you bought online, and then when it arrived and you opened the box, you were just, wow, why did I buy this? Or this isn't something that I expected. Or, wow, this is really ugly. So whatever that sneaker is, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know down below in the comment section what that shoe is for you. For me, it's this one. Again, it's the Nike Presto Comme des Garçons. And with that out of the way, let's get to the fun unboxing over here. So we have a mystery package that was sent over by Freddie Yu. So Freddie is a huge fan of New Balance, just like Sean Santamaria is our good sneaker YouTuber friend. So I will not be surprised if the sneakers that I'll see in this package are from New Balance. He loves the New Balance sneakers that are made in England or that are made in the US. So I'm assuming these are special edition rare New Balance kicks. Let's check them out. But bam! We have two made in the USA 990 sneakers from New Balance. So let's check them out one by one. So let's check out the right box first. If we pop it open, whoo, oh wow, 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 wow. Whoa, that is insane. Guys, take a look at this. Whew, this is hot. So you have green suede, you have purple suede over here. It uses the 990 silhouette. Wow, it looks incredibly, wow, I'd love to have one of these. So this one apparently is in collaboration with DC. So this is an official collaboration with DC, and it's called the Joker Stray Rats New Balance. Again, wow. Wow, I'm really at a loss for words. So you have the Joker colors, you have the green, you have the purple, you have the black. There are no laces. Oh, guys, check out the laces. This is incredibly hype. So you have the orange laces to give it some more pop. Then you have the green, the reds, the different materials of premium suede made in the USA. Arguably one of the nicest New Balance sneakers I've seen this year. So we go from this is the worst sneaker I ever bought so far this year to wow, this is friggin' next level nice. So awesome, super nice. So I mean, I'll probably get a pair of my own because just so it's so cool. It looks like he got it from StockX. So yeah, this is the 990 New Balance, the Joker, in collaboration with Stray Rat. So let's set this aside and check out the second sneaker. The second shoe is another made in the USA New Balance pair of kicks, and it also features the 990 silhouette. So if you pop the box open over here, we get it looks like there's a limited edition colorway or a different colorway of the same shoe. So if that one was dominantly black, purple, and green, this one uses gray as the main canvas of the shoe. So let's take a closer look, shall we? So it's still the same, guys. So it still is licensed by DC. You have the print of the Joker in the insole over here. Again, it's dominantly gray, greens and purples, made in the USA. Comes with gray laces, but you can actually swap it out for purple laces if you want it to have a little more oomph. But if I were forced to pick between the two, I'd probably go with this one, just because it looks so much more kick-ass. Or if you're rich, you can buy both and wear the black one on your left and this one on your right foot. Yeah, that would be weird, but you get my drift. So these are really nice collaboration sneakers from New Balance, again in collaboration with DC, for featuring the Joker, one of the most badass villains of the DC universe and of course of Batman lore. Now, speaking of the Joker, since we are talking about it, I just want to show you guys my bear brick. So this is the 1000% Joker bear brick. Of course, it features the iconic Heath Ledger, passed away, God rest his soul. But yeah, I just want to show it to you, one of my collectibles. In the back, I actually also have 1000% Harley Quinn. So it is one of the bigger bear bricks that you can pick up. I am looking for a Batman 1000% so that we can just round off the set and have, you know, all three of them there at the back in my toy cabinet. But yeah, woo! And since we're talking about Batman, what do you guys think of Robert Pattinson? There are leaks of his photos wearing the cowl and the armor, even riding the motorcycle. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Are you feeling it? Or is it something that you probably will skip on or hate on when it comes out? Let me know down below in the comment section. So we'll set these sneakers aside first. Again, shout out to Freddie Yu. Thanks, man. Appreciate you sending these shoes to be unboxed on the channel. I don't get to keep them, by the way. He just sends them over. I unbox it for you so we all enjoy looking at his new shoes. And that's actually it for our vlog for today. Just a couple of reminders. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing and initial review of the Jordan 5 Off-White yet, I'll put the link down below. If you're a fan of Off-White, Virgil Abloh, Jordan 5s, check it out. Link down below. Lastly, we will be drawing the winner of the Supreme body bag on Tuesday. I know I said it's supposed to be Sunday, but the day just got so filled, so full. So Tuesday night, that's the final day. Make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then watch the video down below for the rest of the mechanics. This is sponsored by Kickstart as well as Randy Galak. And lastly, would you guys want to see a comparison between these two smartphones? This is the Samsung Galaxy A71. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Let me know if you want to see one. If you do, I'll probably make a video. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. As usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.